What is up, everybody? I just wanted to preface this video with a request that you not judge me too harshly. I was very surprised by what would happen, and all of my reactions are legitimate for the most part, I think. I don't know. Still processing what happened, but I just want to say, please do not judge me. I hope you enjoy the video, and yeah, it got real. What is up, people? Today is a snow day. I am vlogging because something really weird happened. I'm editing a video on my new computer. Preston and I went out and I'm attempting some cinematic shots. But anyways, I hear the squeaking in the other room and I think that there's a mouse, and I'm like, did Preston get a mouse? I don't know. And then I look over and I find this. Ow. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a cardinal. Gosh, I'm so freaking freaked out. I don't know how to get a bird out of my house. Ah! It's okay, Preston. So, this is what happened. Apparently that door got blown open and there's obviously snow everywhere. And a bird freaking came in here. Like, I got a broom and a laundry basket and I'm trying to vlog. And so, oh, I just knocked over Preston's food. It's okay. So, what do? Do I like capture it in the laundry basket and then try and release it? Or what do birds eat? I don't know! What is happening? What do birds eat? Let's see here. What do I have? Do birds eat crackers? Do they eat chips? I know people feed bread to birds in parks, but I don't have any bread. Try and close this door so that at least it can't escape that door. Ah! Gosh freaking dang! Ah! I'm actually gonna go in this other room and get a tripod. Don't mind me, Mr. Bird. I mean you no harm. Where did my tripod go? I see my tripod. Okay. Be brave, be brave. Philippians 4:13. Okay, so like I never see cardinals, and look at that thing. It's beautiful. I will name you Ron Weasley, Mr. Cardinal. Matt, you fool, why did you toss the laundry basket in there? Now I gotta go get it. I mean you no harm. Please don't talon me. Oh my gosh. Hey, the door's over here. Sir? Ron? Ron, the door's over here. You gotta go back the way you came. I'm gonna get some crackers and we are gonna try that. Ugh, freaking tripod in the bird room. Why? This is not how this day was supposed to go, but you never know what's gonna happen in the life of Matt Barrick. Preston, don't come out. It's not safe. You stay there. You're fine. Excuse me, Mr. Guest. I thought you might be hungry, and I left you some crackers in this cage. Laundry basket. And I don't know how you take them. If you like big pieces or small pieces, but I broke them in half, and I'm hoping that is to your liking. Do not poop. Now, I am not afraid of birds. Like, they're fine from afar, and normally I'm not this close to them, but I don't know. The flu's going around. Will I get the bird flu? Like, should I just go out and hold out my hand and let it come to me. I don't have those gloves, although I guess I could put these gloves on. I put my scarf so it can't peck out my neck and I bleed out. And then I put my glove on and it's just like you see on TV. Here, I am a perch. Come to me, Ron. I don't think that window over there opens up to the outside. Hey, guy. Hello, sir. How are you on this fine snow day? Look at you. You're magnificent. Are you hungry, sir? If you poop, I swear. New plan. I'm gonna try and open up this window and maybe Ron will go out that way. Please don't attack me, Ron. I swear I will freaking end you. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking terrified right now. What the heck is going on today? This isn't how today was supposed to go. Oh my gosh, it's right over there. What? Ah. Okay, let's do this thing. I know that's an unpleasant noise, sir. Please, do not be angry with me. What the heck? How do you work a window? Oh, I'm forgetting everything right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Philippians 4:13. Oh, the window's stuck. Oh no. Ouch. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's open, but not enough for Ron to get out. Okay, here we go. Pinch and pull. Oh, that is, oh, son of a gun. We're almost there, Ron. Let me guess, this window's frozen shut. Oh my gosh. Oh, Ron, you're over there, aren't you? What the heck? Do not touch the new computer, Ron. I swear I'll freaking end you. Ron? Ron? Ron! I see you. Okay. I guess I should probably start closing doors so that it limits. Whoa! You made a squawking noise. It scared me to death. Okay. Ron, you crazy bird, what are you doing, man? I gotta get my bird catching glove and my, I don't know what the heck I'm doing, but this seems like the safe thing. Hello? Ron? Ron! No, get off the computer! Lamp. No, no, stay away from the new computer. Ron, I'm gonna come and flush you out, buddy. We're all in this together. Door, no, 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 no. Ah! It's okay, Preston. Ah! There you is. There you is, Ron. I see you, son. There's Ron. What's up, little dude? You're beautiful. You're beautiful. Ron. Go, go, go. Ah! Get off the new computer. This way to freedom, Ron. Ron, hey, look at me. Look at me in the eyes. Ron, we can do this. I don't know where you went, man. Oh, you're over there! Alright, this window is 6'2". That's okay. Alright. Not too shabby. Alright. Let's open this one. Nope, it won't. I hear you on that lamp, man. I swear. Don't touch me, okay? These are stuck. And that is the story of that. Yes. Go out that way. Go out that way. No! You were so close, Ron. You moron. You moron, Ron. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ron, I will say I'm glad you're a beautiful cardinal instead of some other boring bird. Let's do this, man. This way. This way. No! 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 Look at that, you're beautiful. That could be the thumbnail. Oh, so majestic. Ron. 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 Come on, Ron. 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 The door's that way. That way. Feel the wind. Yes, no, wrong way. Turn around, Ron. Maybe it would work if I spoke your language. Ah! I'm gonna try and guide you, Ron. Don't be mad. This way. Ah! 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 Oh my gosh! Ah! Woo! If I could open this window, I would, Ron. Believe me. I would open this window right now. This way's a fake way. It's called a window. Right next to the wall. To the window, to the wall. Now all you Rons crawl. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Ron? Ron, that's not a... I told you, man, that's not a door. Ron. 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 Preston, silence! I did it! All right, Ron. We've done it. Okay. Go free. Go free, Ron. Oh, it's locked. Hold on, Ron. Ow. Okay, now go free. Did you leave? There he goes, and you can't see it because it's overexposed. That little speck, that's Ronald Weasley. He is home. And thus ends a very, very weird day for me. Bye, Ron. Thanks for giving me vlog content, but apart from that, you didn't really make today good. I better close this other door before anyone else comes in. Okay. Ah, don't have a shovel. Okay. Hey, buddy. Don't worry, Ron's gone. Do you want crackers? I gave you crackers. Because you're a good boy. Don't worry, the bird's gone. You don't want crackers? Neither did Ron.